This market. This market.
This is the morning market, which all of the restaurant owners come to at 4 o'clock in the morning to get all of the ingredients that they need for the day. Mr. Khan has invited us to join him on his morning routine at the restaurant. He will also show us how he prepares Tum Yum.
Fish เนี่ยมาด้วยกัน
ถ่ายรูปเมียใหญ่เลย
ฮ่า
ฟรีฟรี
เอ๋เอาชุดลำไทยไปก่อนนะคุณแม่นี่
กะปิกะปิอ่ะ
กะปิ
ไปปลาขด
เนี่ยน้องเลยเนี่ยนะถ่ายได้เปล่า
โอเค
I've tried a couple of these dishes. They're very, very spicy. If you could, oh, I just breathed it in. Right. So squid was added to this recipe.
ข้าวรีฟะ
Or is it frog? I'm not sure. I was watching the monks. Carrots are added. Some shrimp. Over here, she's taking the ginger and crushing it.
ใบกะเพรา
Kapow.
ลอง
Sprouts. We have some sprouts. They go right into the oil with the carrots and the shrimp and the beef, the ground beef. Okay. Cooled.
ต้นหอมไหมต้นหอมนี่
Onion grass. Or no, chives. That was chives. Alright. Bird Kali.
เบิร์ดฟลายชิลลี่
That's bird's fly chili.
ชิคเก้น
Ah. Yeah, it's the chicken intestines. Ah. I can feel the chilies in my nose, but he adds a couple more just to be safe. Some more makrut.
เบสเปปเปอร์
And then the fresh black pepper, which is green. Really, I've never felt pepper burning my nose because it's being cooked before. But there it is. Before he put the oil in, he made sure that the pan is very, very hot. He puts it in the basket first, I think, so he can slowly lay it all down at the same time. He doesn't move it too much at first. I think this is so that it does not stick to the pan. But the order that he put these in tells you something, because the lemongrass goes first. That's because it's the most dense. And then comes the ginger. The first one that he put in, he just crushed. And then he put another layer of ginger in, which was thinly sliced. Okay, and now this is the chicken.
Home chicken. Then the oil chicken.
Okay, you took all of the brown foam off. Now you just have a white foam. Okay. We have
แล้วก็ถั่วว่าอะไรถั่วเนี่ย
green beans.
ฮะพีนัทลองยาวใช่ไหมพีนัทลอง
Long
พีนัท
long peanut. In Thai, it's called long peanut. In English, it's called string beans
ก็
or green beans.
จ้ะ
Sprouts. Sprouts. Okay.
But chicken.
Yeah, we have chicken. Chicken.
เครื่องใน
Again, don't stir the chicken stock.
no
No stirring. He continues to take the dirty foam off.
oil
He's very skilled at it. He's leaving the oil. There's a good amount of oil from the chicken here, and he manages to take the foam while leaving a good amount of oil. Okay, sugar in the chicken stock. Bit of MSG. All of these chilies have been crushed with a mortar and pestle, wooden, like this. Sugar. This is going to be a sweet dish with a touch of MSG. Okay. You taste it. It needs more fish sauce. That's really good. Ooh, that's really, really good. It tastes almost like peanuts, but there's no peanuts in it. Like spicy peanuts. Yeah. Okay, makroot. Okay, he's gonna make tom yum.
สอนนิดหน่อย
A little bit of salt.
อันนี้สุก
And a little bit of sugar. Okay, this is what we're gonna put in there. Looks like it's chilies and garlic. Chili paste.
อ่า
Okay.
ไทยพริกเผา
Pik pao. In Thailand, it's called pik pao. Okay, we take ginger, makrut, put it in with the salt, the sugar, ginger, makrut. Okay, and this is the chili paste. Oh, that's a lot of chili paste. Look at that. They're baby mushrooms. You can tell because they haven't opened yet. You see the mushroom is still there, and then the layer is still connected. Chilies.
ชิลลี่ไทยเลยนะเนี่ย
This is a lime. Lime. He takes the seeds out and squeezes the juice. This has a really nice boil to it at this point. He takes the chilies and puts all those chilies in this. Lots of chilies. Okay, he puts shrimp. This is a...
แรงเลย
Okay, he turns the heat up. This is to... No stirring. As soon as you put the meat in, you don't stir it. Okay, as it starts to bubble up, you can add the milk, coconut milk.
ได้แล้วจบแล้ว
Now you stir once it's boiling. Okay, give it a quick stir. Take it off the heat. Let it rest. This is lime
เท่ากันเท่ากัน
with some fish sauce. A lot of fish sauce. He adds it. At this point.
ต้องให้มันเดือดก่อน
โอเคไม่ได้
He tastes it. He adds more fish sauce.
ทำเลย
ชีฝรั่ง
Cup chi falang. Cup chi falang. It has a very fresh taste, this spice. Or this, it's not a spice, it's more like a salad leaf. It tastes very fresh. More like leaf fresh, not like a mint fresh. Almost like a cilantro or something.
Tum Yum Kon.
Okay, and we have our tom yum. He adds a little bit more sugar, a little bit more fish sauce. He stirs it up. Yeah. And I give it a try. Here's this.
Okay.
Oh, that's really good. Yeah, yeah. Okay, and that's tom yum. Ta-da! Thank you. Okay, in a matter of 1.5 hours, he has prepared all of these dishes, along with a sample of his version of Tum Yum. This is a chicken curry. It's very good. This is the squid and frog's legs with tom yum and very spicy baby papaya with pork, tofu with sprouts. This one is maybe one of my favorites. It's very fresh. It tastes very fresh. This is some people like this industry meat with beef, ground beef, carrots. This is bird meat with you can see the black pepper in there, and then you have, this is the chicken intestines and pork. This one is very good. It tastes almost like peanuts. I'm not sure how he gets that flavor. I made the video, yeah, you can see. This is chicken stock. And of course, tom yum. So, thank you very, very, very much for showing me how to prepare all of these. I hope you will enjoy. All of the best. Okay. Come by, say hello to these wonderful people. They speak a little bit of English,
Hello.
but they're very friendly, very kind, very good-hearted people.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. Bye-bye. All of this happened before my adventures in Gochang, and on my way back, I revisited them. Khan was very excited because the monks had asked him to prepare a special meal for one of their ceremonies. He did so with so much pride and so much enthusiasm, and the kitchen, while he was preparing the meal, felt somehow holy. It was such a wonderful blessing to be able to share these days with these wonderful people, and I hope to see them again in the future.